Channel 3 is your vaccine authority. With COVID infections on the rise right now, some nursing homes and long-term care facilities are now requiring staff to be vaccinated to prevent more outbreaks. Our chief political reporter, Susan Raff, is joining us right now with more details on how this is making a difference. Susan?
Mark, we saw that healthcare workers have been on the front line throughout the pandemic. Many got infected, and so did many patients, and some died. Hospitals and long-term care facilities are now adding an extra layer of protection.
It was a close call at Masonic Health Center in Wallingford. Last week, 14 patients and 5 staffers tested positive for COVID. Fortunately, everyone who was positive had already been vaccinated.
This is an unprecedented novel virus, and there was a tool for us to combat it.
Masonic requires staff to be vaccinated. The last thing they want is another outbreak. Nursing homes across the state were devastated by the virus.
It was extremely emotional for everyone. Early on when we went into the lockdown, we were trying to navigate this new virus, this enemy, if you will, and had really very little knowledge.
Ann Collette says vaccines prevented people from getting very sick. Healthcare workers are bracing for another surge in COVID cases. In Louisiana, they've reinstated a statewide mask mandate, and hospitals are now struggling with having enough staff to keep up with what they're calling the highest volume of COVID-19 cases the region has seen so far.
We are very well prepared in terms of people, resources, knowledge, and protective equipment.
Doctors at Hartford Healthcare say they've learned a lot, and Connecticut's high vaccination rate of 70% will help keep people out of the hospital. And starting September 4th, all of their staff must be fully vaccinated.
It's our responsibility to make sure we remain safe, we send the right message to the community, and we are ready to take care of the community.
At this point, Governor Lamont is not planning to mandate that private businesses vaccinate to stop the spread of the virus. He says he hopes they do the right thing. Live in the newsroom, Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.